channel. Hey, I'm gonna start again. Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I am so glad that you're here. While it's not entirely new, Do It Yourself has been a long time in the making. If you explore the videos on the channel, you'll see a lot of news stories and reports from different news stations that I've worked at. That's because this used to be a page that I uploaded all of my work, but all of that is changing now. This page will now be all things DIY. We're talking food, good recipes, arts and crafts, some woodworking, and even some party event planning. You know your girl loves a themed event. So let's get right into answering the burning question. What will you get out of subscribing to this channel? First and foremost, I'll be taking you along as I try my hand at sewing and making all kinds of things. I'll try to give as much direction as I can to the different budget-friendly projects that you'll see me do. We'll also tackle cooking, different recipes, and I'll also give you an exclusive look at my life through a weekly vlog here and there. Really, this is your channel, so feel free to chime in, tell me what works and what you'd like to see more of. All right, so let's cut to the basics. I'm from Houston, Texas. My family is Jamaican, but I live right here in New Orleans, Louisiana. I work as a news anchor at WWL-TV. Fun fact, Hoda Kotb used to work here. I started this channel because every time I make something, I'll post it on my social media and then someone will say, girl, did you make that? And I'm like, yeah, girl. I like to tackle projects that are pretty easy to make. Things like sewing a wig, adding wrencher-friendly contact paper to an ugly pole in my apartment, and creating simple costumes for themed parties in the area. On top of being a journalist and a maker, I'm also a children's book author and illustrator. Last year, I wrote the book Henry Boyd's Freedom Bed. It was something I'd never dreamed of doing, but felt so accomplished once it was done. I can't wait to share more with you about the process and all the cool things that come along with being an author. Now, when it comes to being different on this channel, I'm basically just gonna be myself. I naturally gravitate to making something over buying it. I feel like I can just do it. I like the satisfaction you get when you can say you did it yourself, and I'll also keep it real with you if a project doesn't work out. I'll tell you, and I hope that you'll chime in if you have a solution on how to make a particular project work. So when can you get the next video and how often will they drop? Well, I'm working on a plan now, but I think to start, you'll get one project a month, and I'll also throw in some YouTube shorts. Eventually, I want to do at least a project every other week. I hope you will join me on this journey. Share these videos with your crafty friends, especially the ones who aren't afraid to do it themselves. So don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, and do it yourself.